nihamba nini? Ngiyabuza phela manje. Zalabela ukuthandaza la. Nizwileni ukuthi eNigeria the government of Nigeria have.
I'm not from Nigeria, I speak English.
I'm speaking English.
Yeah, I'm from Malawi, I'm a visitor here.
Yes. And you have papers?
Yes, I got.
Where?
Are you a police?
I am.
Are you a police?
Oh,
Show me ID.
I'm telling you right now that we are here in Johannesburg and we said we're going to be here for a longest time, no crime to be committed, and we are as peaceful as we are. But the Nigerian government have declared. Hambani sikhathele yini manje? Ungamele seNigeria uthe uzonilana ngobhanoyi. Business. Why you do it in your own country? Why? We are tired and you must know it.
I want to buy things here.
Yes.
Yes.
For another.
Don't tell me nonsense. You don't know me. What is your problem?
Until 15. I'm telling 15. Hambani, please. In your own country, can you do it peacefully? Njoba sikhona khona kuyisonto suka la Newcastle. Namanje sihambani yomphuma la isonto. Ansanyiwe inhlobo. Yes. The whole countries that are here. Hambani, finish.
Okay, all right.
Aslali la. For us we are willing to die for our own country. Why don't you go and die for your own country? The soil is the soil, the land is the land. Why don't you repellent your own? Because your government has failed you. Now you are here to loot our own country so that it can look like yours. Never. Hamban. Niyazi bafana bami nonke anesatshwa izolithika manje hambani ngizobona futhi
Bahambe.